Hello, lighting people. We have news of a lighting industry acquisition to share with you today. Osram, the once global behemoth in the lighting industry, has been spinning off and selling off many of its lighting assets in recent years. The company, now known as ams Osram, has made public statements indicating its strategy to maintain and increase its global focus on the sensor market, thereby selling off more and more pieces of its lighting portfolio. The latest piece of that lighting portfolio to be sold is the Digital Lumens Inc. portion. That's the parent company to two brands we know in North America as Digital Lumens and Encelium. The buyer, a Los Angeles-based private equity firm by the name of Skyview Capital. And we're pleased to be joined today by two of the stakeholders in that transaction, Bernstein, the CEO of Digital Lumens, and Ross Eli, VP with Skyview Capital. Ross, let's start with you. Why did your firm make the big private equity investment into Digital Lumens?
Yeah, we became aware of this opportunity several months ago, and we've been talking to Osram about the business, and we've had the opportunity to really study it over the last several months. And we really liked the company's position in the lighting industry. And certainly what we were really interested is the company's vision for taking the business to beyond lighting and investing in Internet of Things and asset management and environmental controls. So we like the business as it is today, and we really believe in the vision for the business growing in the future.
Yes, controls has certainly been a large growth aspect of the lighting industry. And Brian, you're well aware of that as the CEO of Digital Lumens. So what changes, if any, should the market see, customers, agents, and other Digital Lumens and Encelium stakeholders see as a result of this acquisition?
Well, on the one hand, they shouldn't see anything that would be other than positive, right? So we're just able to refocus our energies on our advanced lighting controls and facility insights that we're delivering to customers. We're just laser focused on the outcomes we can create for them. And the more we bring those portfolios together and deliver those results to both the industrial customers and the commercial market. Right, industrial customers are really leading in this with their pull for getting leveraging their lighting infrastructure for value beyond lighting, where they can monitor and meter their whole facilities. And then behind that is the commercial space, as we all know, a little bit trailing in terms of thinking about how they can do monitoring environments, metering what's going on, doing asset tracking, critical resources. At the end of the day, as you know, it's really the transition that take advantage of the lighting infrastructure and the savings that it delivers to really have the opportunity to focus on employee well-being, operational efficiencies, and while achieving your sustainability goals.
Lots of benefits there, an opportunity to keep growing, which every investor wants to do. So when you look at a private equity firm, some people, I think, falsely oversimplify the role of PE firms. And sometimes they just think it's push revenue, and then we'll sell it 3 to 5 years later as a profit. But certainly PE firms bring more value to their portfolio companies. Ross, what do you say to those comments, and how will your firm bring more value to the Digital Lumens company?
Yeah, I would certainly agree with that statement. And, we in private equity really work at bringing value to the companies that are in our portfolio. And we have a lot of operational experience inside Skyview, and we'll really help the business to now stand on its own feet as an independent company. And so we help in a number of functional areas, and also just the experience of helping companies that are very similar to Digital Lumens Inc. to now step out on their own and grow and prosper and create enterprise value. So we think this is a great situation for Skyview. It's similar to other types of businesses that we've acquired in the past, and we're very bullish on the future of the business.
Excellent. And over the years, the lighting industry has seen Osram, a name that was once a behemoth in the lighting space, become part of ams Osram, now a company more focused on global sensors, and made it pretty public that they plan to sell off some of its lighting assets. So Brian, as you leading the charge for the lighting controls portfolio for Osram, or ams Osram now, over the last few years or couple of years, how do you keep the team motivated amidst those distractions about who's going to buy us next or who's going to own us next, and how do you keep them focused moving forward during these changes?
Yeah, I can't say that uncertainty has been easy, right? I mean, that's the reality of the world, right? And ams was pretty clear that it was focused on the semiconductor side and the optoelectronics side, and not on the lighting and lighting controls aspects of it. But at the end of the day, both of these brands, Encelium and Digital Lumens Inc., Digital Lumens under Digital Lumens Inc., really have a real focus on their customers and all of the stakeholders involved in the process. And we're absolutely committed to delivering those guys great outcomes and greater value going forward. What drives us every day is thinking about customers, thinking about value we can deliver to them and the outcomes and our own value that we can create for our business and ourselves, thinking about how we make it easy in this marketplace. It hasn't always been the case that easy is the outcome when you move to something that's advanced controls. It can deliver tremendous outcomes. And then we want to be a learning organization to make sure that we're learning from the marketplace and adapting what we're doing and make sure it does deliver the right value. And so our people are focused on sustainability, they're focused on customer, but I can't say it's been easy. It's, as times of change are a struggle, but you come out stronger.
For sure. And gentlemen, I know that you must have a litany of meetings and important strategic decisions to be making in the recent days. This is fresh off the presses, and the fact that you spent a little bit of time with us to bring this important message to the lighting industry and to our audiences is just greatly appreciated. So congratulations on the big news, and we can't wait to see what comes next from your company. So thank you so much, gentlemen.
Thank you, Al. Good to see you.